My name is Mike. I'm a retired air traffic controller. Looking for a simple solution to a garage and a storage area, and the metal building was the answer to my problem. Prices were very similar. Allen's wasn't necessarily the cheapest, but when I spoke to their customer service, I got the best response from them and the quickest response, and I was very comfortable with talking with them. The crew that came out here was great. They were three guys that were just wonderful. They were friendly, they were helpful, they worked hard, they didn't stop. It was a great group of people. Well, it's going to be used to have a little shop in it. I love to woodwork, so I got a lot of planers and a lot of woodworking tools we're going to be putting in there. We're going to put probably a vacuum system in there to get the dust out of there really easy. There's going to be a big storage area in there for we got two families we're melding together here, so there's going to be a lot of need for storage. My experience with the Allens was excellent. But I would 100% recommend Allen's service to everybody I run into.